Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created only for an educational purpose. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. In this channel, I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis, that's the price action trading. I am not responsible for any financial losses. Trading in financial instrument is very risky. Please contact your financial advisor. Welcome to daily market review. It's July 8th, 2021. Expiry day. Let's see directional bias of Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, Thursday. Before going to start, please subscribe my YouTube channel MK Trader, hit the like button and share my videos. This is the hourly chart of Nifty. Here, Nifty facing resistance at this area of resistance around 15900 zone. So price hitting 4 times, first, second, third, fourth time. Now today this is the fifth time. So price tried to break this area 15900. So to fail back. So failed here. So price might tomorrow, if price break above this area of resistance around 15900, this is the very good opportunity for trading. So here this is the pricing trend line. Price traded in between this zone. This is like a plot of triangle. Might price, if price continue ranging here, or else my expectation is the price might break this area tomorrow. If breakout happen, then search for long opportunity in Nifty. So tomorrow price make some retrace and break this area of resistance, wait for pullback, search for long opportunity. So my expectation is might price break this resistance area tomorrow, or else price might continue range within this area. If once price break above this area of resistance, wait for pullback and search for long opportunity. My expectation is entire projection of this price action here might be price cover this entire projection to the outside. Once price break above, might be this entire projection here 15900 to 15500, this entire zone around 500 to 400 points, maybe 500 to 400 points. So we expect price break above, we expect around 500 points to outside. So let's wait for breakout. Breakout should be momentum candle like this. Then only we, if 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame, price sustain above, just wait for pullback. If you find any reversal candle like this, then only we search for long opportunity. So my expectation is price might break above resistance area tomorrow. In 15 minutes time frame, this zone around 15800 to 15820 area is the support zone. So this is the resistance area. If price might continue range, price fail to break out this area, might continue the range again, might be range. So let's see, price continue range. This is also very good for to consider. Once the consolidation has happened this zone, so we have to wait for breakout. Breakout should be either side. If price might be a range here, if this range might continue. Price might break above. This is my expectation. Wait for pullback and search for long opportunity. Stay bullish in Nifty. Tomorrow, if price open with a gap up, so once a gap up here, just wait for retest this zone. If you find any reversal candle like this, then we go for long. Or else if price open with a gap down here around this area around 15,800, wait for price action. If you find this kind of a candle here, then search for long opportunity. Or else if price open here and make a reversal candle like this, then search for short opportunity. Might be range continues. So all the scenarios are possible. Let's wait for price action. My expectation is price might break above tomorrow. So my expectation might be this kind of a price action I'm expecting tomorrow. So wait for breakout. Stay bullish in Nifty and wait for breakout. This is the R1 chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty here, price traded in between support and resistance area. This is the support and resistance areas. Support around 35,400 area and resistance around 35,800. So morning I mentioned here, stay bullish in Bank Nifty. This is the arrow I'm indicating in I posted in my Telegram channel. The price might heading towards the resistance area. So price complete my target here. So this is the entry around 35,400 zone. This is the entry area. This is the target area. So target achieved. I will show you in my Telegram channel. Morning I posted it in my Telegram channel. Here my arrow indicating price moving up. So next target might be this area. So price traded in a ascending channel. So price might continue. Once this area break, then we expect price might hit this area around 36,400 zone. So I posted this chart in my Telegram channel morning. So this is the after market chart. So here price hit this area. So around 35,400 to 35,780 area. So price complete my target today. So, and also I posted Kotak Mahindra Bank. So here 1740 go long around 1740 area. So target is around 1781. So price in the middle of this range. So tomorrow my price complete. This is the target. This is the entry point I mentioned here. So target is the first target. So target 1. So price might be around this area around 1760 to 1770 area. So tomorrow might complete this target. So I'm bullish in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So stay bullish. And also I posted HDFC Bank also. Price going bullish. So search for long opportunity. The price somewhere here. So I'm expecting once price might hit this area, if we find any reversal candle like this, then we go for long opportunity. So this is my Telegram post. So please subscribe my Telegram channel also. This Bank Nifty chart, I'm expecting price might complete this pattern to hit this area of resistance by end of this week. So I'm expecting price is very bullish in Bank Nifty. So once this area of resistance, price break above this around 35,800. So once price break above this 35,800, then search for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. So or else if price open with some gap, wait for retest this zone. If you find any reversal candle like this, then search for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is around 35,400 is the support, 35,800 is the resistance. The price is in between support and resistance. So I'm expecting price might break this area tomorrow. So stay bullish in Bank Nifty. Let's see in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to connect this bounces area. So this bounces with the trend line. Let's see. And in 15 minutes time frame, this is the bounce, this trend line, this rising trend line. The price hit this trend line, bounced outside. So here, so we expect tomorrow might price hit this trend line. I'm expecting to break this area, wait for pullback and search for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. So here only this trend line, price break below this trend line, then only search for short opportunity until this area. So two expectation, one is price might break this area, wait for pullback and search for long opportunity, or else price break this trend line, this rising trend line with the momentum candle, wait for pullback and search for short opportunity. Third might, if this happen, price might continue this range. If price break below this trend line, wait for pullback and search for short opportunity. This happens, then only price might continue range within this area. So support around 35,400, resistance around 35,800. So my expectation is price might break above, wait for pullback and search for long opportunity. So this rising trend line indicating price might going very bullish in Bank Nifty. If price open with the gap up around this area, just wait for pullback. If you find any reversal pattern like this in 5 minutes or 15 minutes, then search for long opportunity. Your stop loss should be below this candle. If happen tomorrow, if gap up happen tomorrow, might be this price action we expected. Or else if price open without gap up, wait for breakout of this area. Once price break above, then search for long opportunity. Breakout candle should be momentum candle like this. This breakout might be sustained above this area of resistance, then only wait for pullback to this area, search for long opportunity. So my expectation is Bank Nifty is very bullish, stay bullish. Or else if price this trend line break below, then only search for short opportunity. If break above, search for long opportunity. So stay bullish in Bank Nifty. Two scenarios: one, price might continue range, or if price break above, the uptrend might continue. That's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my Telegram channel, link given in below description. Have a profitable day.